Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my BTS DNA inspired design. Start off by painting your index, middle, and pinky nails a metallic purple and your other nails white. Apply a liquid latex barrier around the first purple nail and let dry. Apply a small amount of white polish to a makeup sponge and dab it onto the nail. Dab shimmery pink polish over top of the white polish. Repeat the same process with metallic blue, neon orange, and sheer yellow polishes. Paint some messy lines in white polish and then color them in green. Use white to make small dots all over the nail for stars. Paint a few shooting stars in white and then color them in with neon pink. Add a white line to the center to make it look like it's glowing. Paint a white circle in the upper right-hand corner of the nail. Section off the bottom third of the nail and paint it white. Remove the liquid latex. Color in the circle with orange. Add multicolored stripes on the white part of the nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Repeat the same process to make the galaxy print on the middle nail. Section off a square in the center of your nail and fill it in with black polish. Make thin white grid lines over the black square. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make a larger black square on the white nail and fill it in with black polish. Make a white semicircle at the top of the black square and fill it in. Add shadows with various shades of gray. Seal in your design with a top coat. Repeat the same process for the galaxy print, this time sponging the colors on in a circle. Use white polish to paint a strand of DNA. Continue to use white polish to paint a structural formula. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use blue, purple, pink, orange, and yellow polishes to paint the cover for BTS's album. I'll put the link to a reference picture in the video description below. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!